Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute wrist warmer. I use 6mm hook. Make a slip knot and chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Measure these chains around your wrist. You can increase and decrease to these chains. You have your foundation chain work, being careful not to twist the chains. Insert your hook into first chain, join two chains together, yarn over, a slip stitch, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to next chain, make 1 double crochet, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, pull through, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I made 1 double crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook into first chain, top of these first chains, a slip stitch, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch, this double crochet stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this stitch and continue like this. Make 1 double crochet around these stitches, take stitches on your hook and crochet stitches, yarn over, take last stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, insert your hook into this chain, top of first stitch, a slip stitch, make 1, 2 chains, take a stitch on your hook and continue same as before round, make 1 double crochet around double crochet stitches like this, take a stitch on your hook and make 1 double crochet. After these rows, I have 10 centimeters in here. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Skip this stitch, go to next stitch. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip one stitch, go to next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains. Skip this stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Skip one stitch, go to next stitch, and continue like this for this round. Make 5 chains, go to first stitch like this, slip stitch, yarn over, go to these chains, first 5 chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, make 5 double crochet in first stitch, first chains, go to next chains, slip stitch, slip stitch, go to next chains like this, 5 double crochet stitch in here, make a slip stitch in here, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet in here, go to next chains, slip stitch, 5 double crochet, slip stitch, 5 double crochet, slip stitch, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, slip stitch, yarn over, go to next chains, 5 double crochet in here, slip stitch, slip stitch like this, slip stitch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitch in here. Add 1 more double crochet in first of pattern and last of pattern. We should make 7 double crochet, yarn over, make 1 double crochet in here like this, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, go to this chain, slip stitch like this, yarn over and make 7 double crochet in these patterns. Slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to these chains like this, take these yarns on your hook, make 1 single crochet from back loops like this, take this yarn, make 1 single crochet on this loop, make 1 single crochet, like this. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch from back loop. A slip stitch in here, like this. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. A slip stitch and continue like this. A slip stitch, yarn over, go to this round, crochet from this round, make 1/2 double crochet, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, go to next stitch, from here make 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet. Now we have three stitches in 1 stitch, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and repeat for all stitches. 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet. A slip stitch,